Hey guys, welcome back to Nature's Cadence Farm. Today we're going to be working on our NB26 Robin brush cutter, and I'm going to be greasing this head. So I like to do this once a year. I just put a little grease in there. And what you'll need is either a 4mm Allen wrench or a 10mm socket or wrench. So what I'm going to use is this 10mm sockets. Lefty loosey. Loosen that up a little bit. I didn't have it on very tight because it's just an aluminum housing. You don't need much. And then when you get this plug out, you'll see there's you can see down inside of here there's some grease and the gears. Let me get you in here so you can see that. Hopefully you can see that. You might be able to see that. So now all we're going to do is just take our grease gun, and I like to use the two-handed model there with the flexible hose. But I just like to hold it on there and go ahead and pump some grease down in there. There you go, and you can kind of see it's full. I can get my grease gun to work right. There, I feel pretty good. I got 2 full pumps in there, and that's quite a bit of grease. So that's about it. So we're going to get our plug back here. I'm just going to wipe it off real quick. Looks like it had some old grease on there. Put that plug in there. You might squish a little bit of that grease out that you just put on, but that's okay. You can just wipe that up later. Always have a rag. If you ever deal with grease, keep a rag handy because it goes everywhere. So just going to tighten that down. And like I said, I'm not going very tight with it, just snug so it's not gonna come off on you. And that's it. So this is the original head on here, so with proper maintenance it should last 30 years if it's good quality components, which this machine is. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.